Baidibek is the land of sacred places, ancient narratives, and historical monuments. Baidibek B is a legendary batur, a military leader, and a wise judge who united nomadic tribes to defend against the enemy. It is a symbolic and historical figure for the Kazakh people. Baidibek B's wife, Nurila, is well known as Domalak Ana, a symbol of motherhood, wisdom, and loyalty. She is revered as the foremother of Kazakh people. There are many stories and legends about this woman. Apak Ishan Mosque Madrasa is one of the unique architectural monuments of the first half of the 19th century. This is a legendary mosque which at one time became one of the largest educational institutions of Kazakhstan. The building of 32 rooms was designed by the Bukhara's architects. The darshana located in the complex, which includes a prayer hall and 2 adjacent small service rooms. The high dome of the mosque looks especially majestic. Traces of antiquity were carved in the Boralday Mountains. Rock petroglyphs take us to the Bronze Age and the beginning of the Iron Age. Stone engravings on rocky plains are considered one of the oldest monuments of Kazakhstan. Touch the ancient steppe history.